If you're strength training to support your jiu-jitsu 2 to 4 times a week, but you're still feeling stiff, sore, and like you're just one roll away from injury, you're not broken. Your training just wasn't built for the mat. So let me show you what actually works for grapplers like us. I've been there. You want to get stronger for jiu-jitsu, so you start strength training. And suddenly you're exhausted. Your body feels beat up and you're too sore to roll. Or worse yet, you end up injured again. And you're left wondering, how am I doing all the right things, but I feel worse? And here's the truth. Most gym programs weren't designed for jiu-jitsu practitioners who are also training jiu-jitsu multiple times a week. They just stack stress on top of stress. They ignore recovery, and their strength protocols are more of a one-size-fits-all approach. These programs weren't built for your body, your goal, or your lifestyle, which is why I built Built for the Mat. It's a 4-week strength and mobility reset designed for grapplers who want to roll harder, recover faster, and feel confident on the mats again. It's short, efficient, and designed specifically for the lives of jiu-jitsu practitioners, especially for those who are trying to juggle family, work, and other life commitments. Once inside the app, you can choose your split, which are designed to work with your jiu-jitsu schedule and not against it. We combine strength and mobility in every session so that you're not left choosing between progress and recovery. You'll get direct access to me, to chat with, to support you throughout your journey, macro calculators, a community of like-minded people, injury swaps, advice around your training schedule, and much, much more. And here's what our athletes are saying. I feel stronger and more capable. My flexibility and agility have gone through the roof. I've stopped second-guessing my training. I even got gold in my first competition. This isn't a fitness challenge, it's a reset. For people who love jiu-jitsu but need a smarter way to strength train to support it. You don't need to just try harder. You need a system that is built for you. Whether you're rolling for fun or you're prepping for competitions, you deserve to feel confident, strong, and resilient on the mats. There are no contracts, so you can cancel anytime, and I've also backed it with a 30-day feel the difference guarantee. If you don't feel stronger, more confident, and more mobile within 30 days, I will refund you, no questions asked. So if you've been training hard, but you're just not seeing the result, and you're tired of soreness, burnout, and second guessing your workout, join Built for the Mat and see the difference within week 1. So let's build strength that actually supports your jiu-jitsu. I'll see you inside.